The best way to start earning money with Swagbucks. In this video, we'll show you an online platform where you can earn $150 by completing online tasks, which is one of the simplest ways to make money online. Buckle up and prepare to have your financial future transformed. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new strategy or earning content. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Today I'll show you how to make money with Swagbucks. So let's get started. Swagbucks is an online platform that allows you to put money back into your wallet. It's amazing, and one of the most popular side hustles because anyone can do it, and it's fairly simple to get started. The best part is that you can get free gift cards to Amazon, Walmart, or PayPal. You can get your money through PayPal and then use PayPal to redeem cash, putting cold hard cash back into your wallet. The best part about this is that you can earn points in a variety of ways, and you can see the amount of money that they have paid to their members. So they have paid over 900 million to their users. So you can see why they are so popular. Now, just before I explain the proven website, kindly leave a comment below stating, "I am from insert your country." This will help me identify your location accurately, so that in the future, I can ensure that every video I release is tailored specifically for you. So, share your country's name in the comment section below. Stay tuned and watch the entire video. Moving on to the Swagbucks sign-up process, you can now sign up by email address or continue with Google or Apple. You can choose to sign up by email. It's entirely up to you. So I successfully logged into my Swagbucks account, and this is my account over here. So this is our Swagbucks dashboard. And we're just getting started with the various ways we can make money. So on the top right, you see a daily bonus, so you can activate it and just have a daily bonus and earn money from that. And when you have a 7-day or a weekly streak, you get 25 Swagbucks, and this is what you actually redeem. So my goal for today is to earn 30 Swagbucks, and then I get 3 additional Swagbucks for free. You have your account corner where you can redeem your Swagbucks, as well as see your reward center. You have your swag code, and you also have referrals. So a great way to earn money is via referrals as well. But moving on, you can see on the top section that you have a navigation panel. You have answer where you can have surveys that you can answer. You have your shop section. You have your discover section where you have sign-up forms or discover or games. Then you have rewards, and then you have your more section. So to begin, if I simply click on answer over here, it will display the various surveys that are available for me to begin answering. So it will load all of the surveys and I can begin answering them. Make sure you answer these honestly, because if it's discovered that you're leaving random answers and your portfolio is inaccurate, people will report you. And once you're reported, you won't get any more surveys or Swagbucks. So make sure you're being honest. After that, you can see in your answer section that you have quick links on the side, as well as the daily poll surveys and all of the surveys. Another excellent way to make money is to watch videos. So I can click open over here. And as you can see, I now have these surveys. I can begin answering the survey by clicking on the Start Survey button over here. After you complete the survey, you will have access to video watching, which is extremely popular. And you can actually go into the mobile apps and your rewards home to see the various options available to you. So, if I go into my rewards, or if it is going to discover home, you can see all of the different trusted partners that they have and what you can do. You can see in the top left corner that you have your answer, shop, discover. You will also have a video section, depending on your demographic and where you are from. So you can watch videos as well. Aside from that, you have signups, which are the best way to start earning. So as you can see in our Discover home, we have popular offers, such as Monopoly, Uber, or a variety of different iOS apps, or these media agency apps. And all they want is for someone to sign up. So if I go over here, these are the review special offers. And answer all of the questions, I can win a gift card and 1 Swagbucks. And all I have to do is to answer. So I can click on Earn 1 Swagbucks, and then we must complete the surveys. It's so simple and easy to complete these tasks because they're pretty simple. But just like that, we've completed a simple offer on Swagbucks, and we can start redeeming our money. Now, other than just signing up or doing this basic stuff, you can also earn daily points, as I showed you guys. So after that, I recommend that you look into the referral program. If you go into the Swagbucks shop, you'll see the referrals on the bottom like this. So I strongly advise you to look into the recommendations. So you can go into your referrals over here and click on Invite More Friends. And you can see how helpful this is. Why? Because you get a 10% commission on their earnings for the life of their account. So whatever your friend earns, say 1,000 Swagbucks, you're going to get 100 Swagbucks. And they're not going to be deducted from their account. You're just going to get them for free for no reason at all. That's how amazing it is. It is now extremely simple to redeem your Swagbucks. All you have to do is click on your account, click on my rewards over here. So currently, I haven't redeemed anything. And you have your Swagbucks redeem code as well to get a code. But I'm going to click on my rewards home on the top of my screen. And you can see I have Amazon on gift cards available. I have, multiple different current leads. I have Zalando. I have Amazon Edge. And all of your different gift cards that you can redeem. I also have Payoneer, so I can redeem my money there as well. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. If you found this video helpful and want to see more content like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And as always, stay tuned for more earning content. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.